First dinner of the trip. 2 $1 hamburgers. But it's time to hit the bed, which is back there, right here. So I gotta move my laptop and camera gear off it, but this is where we're sleeping for the night. I guess maybe a quick rundown on what we actually got in the car. So in the front seat, we've got just our little bit of food stuff. So we've got cereal, milk, bananas, a couple grapefruit. There's our noodle cups, a couple of Tim Tams, some little snack things. So some dried dates and apricots and some chips. In the back here, pillow, blanket, mattress. I got the laptop as well, just in case we need to clear out any of the camera stuff. Camera bag, drone. Toiletries is meant to be up here, but I've just brushed my teeth. Then underneath the mattress, in the little compartment under there, we've got a few basic tools just in case we need to do anything, which proved useful this morning. We got coolant on this side, we got a thing of oil on the other side, and power steering fluid, which is just as well I got that because we are dripping a lot of it. Then moving up top, extra fuel, clothes bag, another clothes bag, snowboard and boots are in here. Plastic bag to put your dirty clothes in, and another plastic bag to put your rubbish in. And another thing as well, you might not think it, sun cream. Pack sun cream when you go to the snow because you can get really burnt. Also forgot some other essentials. Plenty of water. You won't realize how much water you need until you actually run out and you're like, oh damn, I need a double what I have. Spot at the moment to go and camp for the night, and there was a little turn off I saw somewhere down here because I went down, no it's not there, I went down to Jindabyne to go and get some hot water for my thermos so we can make some dinner for tonight. Should be, there it is, there's the sign, that's what I'm looking for. I'm hoping this isn't someone's property. I don't particularly want to wake up with some angry farmer knocking on my door. Alrighty, a little trick you can do if you feel like you need some space in your car again. All you need is a belt, and then you roll up your mattress, chuck the belt around it, and it'll keep it nice and compact. So you just have a little bit more room in your car. You can fold your seats back up, or you can give people lifts, whoever's hitchhiking. Look at him go. showered. I just used the shower at the caravan park. And we got to eat. Oh hey, what did you have for dinner last night? Noodles. What are you having for dinner tonight? More noodles. What's for dinner tomorrow night? We got noodles. Will that fit my noodle cup? Oh, it does. There you go, veggies and all. The car as well is, we just have to baby it a little bit. Because the front diff is starting to really click a lot on the sharp turns. And that turbo is really, it's starting to struggle to get me up that hill to the mountains. So we got to try not to be in the boost too much. Just try and make the car last as long as we can. Yeah, lads, we now got that's touching the dash. We got 4 neutrals, just in case one wasn't enough. I think that's second, but when I was driving, it still felt like first, so. Woo! I found the problem. Our little ball knuckle thing on our shifter has popped out. That's why we can't seem to get it out of first gear.
Years it took me. When it hit, it just shook me. Dome rattled up like a cage. It's 4 AM and I'm burning sage, just trying to wrap my head around it. Am I good enough? Yeah, I doubt it. Puffing weed just to get around it. Meditating cause you know I'm about it. Living life so free. Won't you join me? 'Cause and say that I'm grateful. Born from the earth, what you think that I came for? Brothers and sisters, if you're at all able, let your light shine like spring days in April. 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 Like spring days in April.